Hello there, I am back for another scrap journaling video. This time I'm going to just finish filling out my week here, April 13th through the 19th. I have half of it completed. I just want to finish up the rest of it. I had a couple of stickers that I had pulled out or really left out on my desk previously for this purpose. So I'm just sticking those down. It says, "It's a bright spring, do your thing." And I have this other little rectangle sticker that I like to use as a backing for my pictures. It makes a great, just like instant little frame. So I'm sticking that just right there. And I love having my little desktop trash can. It's really great actually. So now I'm pulling out more little stickers. I've been working on organizing my sticker sets, cutting them up and separating them by color or season. I'll see if I can do a video on that at some point. It's been kind of a process, but I think overall it'll help me to see stickers that I kind of had glossed over for a long time, and hopefully get me to use more of them. So here I am sticking a little journaling sticker down for Friday. And I know it's not Easter anymore and I have all the little Easter bunnies out. I bought a sticker sheet and I just want to use it up. In my head, Easter happens in April, so I'll probably just keep sticking down Easter bunnies on my spreads until I run out of them. So doing a bit of journaling there for Friday. And then going back to my sticker bag here for greens. I have two little pictures here, but I know I want more, so I go ahead and just print out a couple more pictures. So here they are, ready to be cut. And so I figure might as well trim it down so it just fits on one of the little slots there. Looking for the right placement. Looks a little crooked, I'm struggling a bit. Okay, here we have it. I really, whenever possible, enjoy using those stickers in the background as frames for whatever pictures I stick in front. So here I'm trying to do that as well. And I'm gonna stick it down with some magic Scotch tape. Oh, got out of hand there. But fret not, we got it in place, sticking it down, all set and ready to go. Maybe I should have matted that sticker, but I guess it is what it is. Kind of has a little frame in the background. And here I'm placing my little picture on top of that sticker I had in the background, like I said. That picture's, oh, it's funny, but not, because I'd put some lavender lotion, it's baby lotion, on my baby, and she had like a little reaction. And so, of course, I had to document that because I was like, oh my God, her little face just started getting super red. So, no lavender lotion for us in the future. All right. Cutting these other little pictures down. And I thought I might want to use the little holly image here, but I think I'm actually going to just save that for another time. My baby's name is Holly, so I just like the idea of popping a Holly image here and there, but I think I'll, like I said, save that for another time. Here I'm trying to find the right backing for this little picture I have here. I end up going with yellow because the picture has yellow and I think it just looks great together. And again, these little pieces of paper are just little scraps that I have in a box. It's a great way to use up the scraps and have little mats for my pictures, so it works on all ends there. I really enjoy that. So yep, there I am trying to mat the little pictures. And here I just decide to cut down the image, make it a little more square. I like having a variety of shapes and sizes and that kind of thing, so whenever possible it's nice to do. Plus it fit better on this little scrap here, so it worked out. And here I am trimming it down. I'm using this little double-sided stick tape here. I don't know how good it'll be. I just started using this specific kind, so it'll be a test, I guess. Almost done with the pictures. And now to pick everything up and make sure I can see what I'm working with. All right, now I've gone in and put the dates and time on the back of the pictures. It's just helpful for me so I know when the picture was snapped. I know where I can place it generally. And there I am going in with my tape. And just finding the best little spots. All the pictures are down. Oh, I have one more actually. So putting that one there. And making a little heading for my Saturday entry. And now for a bit of writing. Trying to see what else maybe the page might need. Going to go in and draw some lines for this little box here. All right, perfect. Bit of journaling while it's on my mind and I remember something that happened that day. Alright, just doing some more journaling while I'm at it here. Okay, and so now I have a couple of little spots that are still blank and I'm trying to think of what to do. So gonna just finish out this little box and trying to decide here, and I go back in for some stickers real quick. Continuing the little potted plant theme there. Finishes it off pretty well. Cleaning up my stash and putting things away. A little more journaling here. Every week I do like to have a section there titled prayers. I usually, have a little tiny prayer there, things that are on my mind, gratitude, just little things like that. It makes me happy. And now just going into the sidebar here, trying to spruce it up with some color. Kind of mess it up a little there, and I try to fix it. It's okay, good enough. All right. And typically I'll just kind of do a summary of the week, or like a week evaluation, I guess. They're in that larger sidebar space. Okay, and down in the little notes section, I just like to put maybe like a lesson that I learned this week, or, you know, a little quick statement that is a takeaway. This week it was about the importance of socializing with your neighbors or with people. You know, it can make a big difference. So there we have it. I'm putting it back in my happy planner now. But right when I thought I was finished, I noticed that, oh, I forgot to do the weather tracking, and I do enjoy tracking my weather here. So I just pull out my little weather stickers and I plop them down. I'm new to the area. I live in Texas now, and so tracking the weather I think is gonna be fun for me to see kind of what to expect during different times of the year. I've never lived in Texas before, so it'll be interesting to see how things are around here. It's been kind of gloomy-ish, I guess. Cloudy, rainy, yet still somehow hot. So kind of an interesting combination. All right, I'm almost done there. Just one more day. Okay, wonderful. And now to tuck all these little things away. All right, and we're done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you all again soon. Bye.